All right. Well, salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I'm returning today to wipe and tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. Today, as you know, I'm headed to the car dealership to go get my car serviced, right? And in doing so, I am going to take y'all with me because I observed something. And it's something that I want to speak about really briefly. So, what I ended up observing was the fact that there was this guy online by the name of Kevin Samuels who was talking to a lot of black women about their issue or black men's issue with them. But initially, he was talking to a lot of black men. And initially, what he was doing was he was asking black men to dress a certain way and things like that. One of the things that he used to ask about was dressing in suits. And he used to always mention, hey, listen, I think it's a good idea as a black man, especially of a certain age, that you, age up your attire a little bit. So, there's nothing wrong with jeans and sneakers. I wear jeans and sneakers just about every day, right? But there is a time and a place for everything. And also, I've had this conversation with people. There's no reason why a 22-year-old man and a 42-year-old man should be dressed exactly the same, even when it comes to things like suits and ties, right? There's different designs and fashion and stuff and ways that you're going to wear your pants and ways that you're going to wear your shoes and stuff versus when you're not. So you look at that, and those are, some of those crazy differences that you end up seeing in fashion, because you do have the ability that a 22-year-old man and a 42-year-old man dressing the same is kind of shameful, especially when the 42-year-old man looks more like the 22-year-old man than the 22-year-old man does the 42-year-old man. So we often wonder why, especially in the black community, it's hard to speak to the young black men. Well, a lot of that has to do with the fact that because older black men, there's really nothing to strive forward to. It's not like there's a level up. You guys, we got the fancy, Mercedes-Benz or BMW at 55. Okay, I got that at, 24. Is there something else you get to look at? Or, are you guys showing, home ownership, 401ks, businesses, etc., etc.? Or y'all just showing what we on tonight at the club at 40? Generally, what we're showing is, what you on at the club tonight, and you're 40 years old. So, that tends to muddy the waters. But one thing that I noticed is a lot of guys also seem to fight against the suit and tie, and they wonder why, especially black men, we don't get taken seriously in business. Well, when you do get taken seriously in business, or you get a serious business position, guess what? That suit and tie comes on. How do I know? Because I was watching TV today, and there's a commercial for a game show. And that game show is, I think, Hollywood Squares. What's going on, fellas? And so in Hollywood Squares, the current, TV show host of it is a young guy by the name of DC Young Fly Guy. And if you don't know, DC Young Fly Guy is he's a TV personality, and he's a comedian, and he's fairly young, and he wears jeans and sneakers and the name brand and the hats and very urban wear, if you will. However, as the host of Hollywood Squares, they got this man in a suit and tie. The dude, that DC Young Fly Guy. Yeah, he's in a suit and tie being a game show host, because there's a certain look that they require for their game show host. So in order for you to be in that position and get the type of money that he's getting to host a game show, which is generally very good money, he had to switch up his attire a bit. And, I was watching one of these quote-unquote financial channels that basically just chronicles Whoever's scammed, yeah, they keyed the fuck out of my car. You see that? They keyed the shit out of my car. Like, terrible. Anyway, one of the things that you have to do is to get taken seriously in those positions. You want to be a serious person. So at any rate, gentlemen, let's fix our attire up a little bit to a position where, you know, we can be taken seriously. Because in a lot of situations we're not being taken seriously because we still look like kids. And that's the major issue. It's not that a lot of white men don't dress in jeans and sneakers, or men of other races at 40 ain't dressing in jeans and sneakers, but the vast majority of them are. Therefore, when they go into those situations, they don't need to get treated as adolescents or kids who don't know shit. Unfortunately, black men, we get treated as adolescents or kids who don't know shit because the vast majority of us are running around like, I'm a self-made man, I can not fit in with the rest of the motherfuckers. Alright, well, that's the result that you get. At any rate, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made everywhere every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, wipe ass, work in progress every day, and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.